guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang Ecoboost Premium. This is the non-performance package with the automatic transmission. So this is the nicest normal Mustang you can get. Essentially fully loaded out Ecoboost. So if you're looking for, this is probably a close competitor to like the BMW 430i kind of thing. And it's a really comfortable car to drive. $35,470. Shadow black over ebony leather. Yeah, it's a really nice car to drive. 2.3 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder. Why don't we take a look at it? Never opened the hood on a Mustang before, so. And there it is. 2.3 EcoBoost. Before the wind takes me into that water, let's go for a drive. That's what we all came here for. As I said, this is the full EcoBoost Premium non-performance. So kind of a luxury coupe in a way. Like I said, BMW 430i is exactly what comes to mind here. Driving in track mode. Of course, this doesn't have the valved exhaust, so it's not dumb loud. But it's also not slow either. Visibility, actually very good for the coupe segment. And she hauls, man. Wow. Not driven a normal EcoBoost in a while, so. Am I gonna fit? I wasn't gonna fit, so that's good. Nice and smooth, even in track mode over all these bumps. Being the premium model, this has the Bang & Olufsen sound system. And it sounds absolutely fantastic. I almost bought a Mustang Ecoboost. They are a ton of fun. They're really light and nimble. I think the Ecoboost is a better car on the street than the GT. So if you're not going to be doing any track driving, and you don't absolutely crave the V8, Ecoboost is absolutely perfect. The mid-range torque is perfect on the street. I am not begging for more power at all. It's just great. Honestly, it's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.